manager that said that to get out. That I need to get out. This is police. So this is police. I need to video this because this is a case. I need a lawyer. So this is you're from Luzon, Inborn Luzon, alright? You are Inborn Luzon too, sir? Are you Luzon too? Because these are both Bisaya already. So I'm from Luzon. So you understand? Kasi pa Luzon ako. Ngayon, okay.
Ang gusto po kasi mangyari ni ma'am.
Pinapalayas nga ako nitong Bisaya na to, Inborn Bisaya. Luzon to, Metro Manila ako. I'm Grand Lady Triskelon, I'm GLT. You're lying.
My parents is a Bisaya, but it doesn't matter what is my
Because no,
my
you cannot because she's
Problem, Bisaya people, ha? What is your problem, Bisaya people?
Don't do that to me! Fucking Bisaya! She hits me first! You saw that? You saw that? Baby, she hits me first! You see, she hits me!
No, it's okay.
Because this is Luzon, this is my territory! I am home!
No, it's okay.
You see this Bisaya? Why this is all Bisaya?
Please, ma'am, ako na po nakikiusap.
Naumalis po sila, kami re-refund po sila. Bibigyan naman po.
Bakit this is hotel, hindi nyo to bahay, hindi nyo to bahay. This is government facility. This government facility. Yes, well, from you. What is your
I'm from Barangay.
Yes, I'm Mariki. I'm Grand Lady Triskelon. I'm Taogama.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Yes,
What's
also.
your name? What's your name?
I'm Ron Ong King. Ong. I am Ong. I'm sorry, I need to interview you. This is just interview. So, because I wanted to extend my stay. So that Mona manager didn't want me to extend my stay. So is that correct?
Yes, that's the memo they put down.
Okay, that Mona. So that Mona is not really inborn here in Metro Manila, right? She's from Visaya region.
I think.
Hello, I'm recording from VIP Suits Hotel. So previously I got into trouble on this management that doesn't want to extend my stay. I'm staying at the bed space. I'm a bed spacer because this hotel has 13 CCTVs. So I wanted to extend for 12 o'clock now. Noon. So this is the so what did it say? Yes. So they didn't allow my extension because there's too much space over here. This is just a bed space. Bisaya ka rin? Luzon? Ha? Ano? Mga Bisaya kayong putang ina nyo? Why is that?
Wait lang, antayin mo yung nasiyan.
Why is that? My things were inside. My husband paid this hotel. I need my things back. I just went to my lawyer. I talked to my lawyer earlier. Why you lock it? Hello, I'm recording from Hatsito, so I'm going to meet my lawyer.